Okay students, nice to meet you again in SPTV channel, Suara Pendidikan Television channel, still with Pak Pri, ya. And now we will continue to the second season. We will discuss past continuous tense. Okay, we will discuss the past continuous tense. Okay, I have a video. Please watch the video, observe the dialogue in the video, and there are some activities in the video. Pay attention to the video, and I hope you enjoy it.
Doing their own work, but suddenly a car crashed into a tree. Everybody shared this news with other people, they said. When the accident happened, I was doing my homework. I was playing my guitar. We were having a great party. I was looking around. I was repairing my car. I was waiting for my friend and reading the newspaper. I was working in my office. I was mending the roof. We were learning English. I was playing my flute. I was making a phone call.
Okay students, do you enjoy the video? Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, based on the observation, ya, berdasarkan pengamatan kalian, ya, tadi, ya, there was an accident and there were many activities people doing, were people doing. Okay, ya. Now look at this question, ya. And this question is based on the video. What were you doing when the accident happened? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan ketika kecelakaan itu terjadi? Ya, seperti yang kalian lihat tadi, ketika ada kecelakaan, ada beberapa aktivitas yang sedang dilakukan oleh orang-orang di dalam rumah. Ya, jadi sedang ada kegiatan, kemudian ada kegiatan yang menyusul. Mana yang terjadi lebih dulu? Bagus, yang terjadi lebih dulu orang-orang yang sedang melakukan sesuatu di dalam gedung atau rumah tadi. Kemudian disusul ada kecelakaan. Ya, jadi di sini ada what were you doing when the accident happened? Pertama, tadi ada yang bilang I was doing my homework. Ada berikutnya bilang I was playing my guitar. Ada yang bilang we were having great party. Ada yang bilang lagi I was looking around. The last, I was preparing my car. Nah, kalau kalian amati yang dicetak merah dan digaris bawahi, kalau kemarin kita present continuous tense, sekarang kita masuk ke past continuous tense. Apa cirinya di past continuous tense ini? Ya, bagus ya. We use to be, was, and were plus present participle or verb ing. Next, how do we form the past continuous for affirmative, ya, untuk kalimat positif? Was, you have subject, and then to be, was or were, and then present participle or verb ing. Look at the example. Number one, Wati was writing an email yesterday. Ya, Wati subjek, kemudian karena Wati itu punya was, kemudian an email yesterday, writing an email yesterday. Contoh yang kedua, I was learning English when my father called. Yang ketiga, the boys were playing football while the girls were playing volleyball. Coba amati 3 contoh ini. Apa bedanya contoh yang ke-1, kedua, dan ketiga? Silakan diamati. Ada Wati was writing an email yesterday. I was learning English when my father called. Kemudian ada the boys were playing football while the girls were playing volleyball. Silakan. Oke, bagus. Sudah ada yang menemukan? Yang pertama yaitu di situ ada specific time dan ada hanya satu kegiatan. Wati was writing an email. Very good ya. Kemudian bagus. Yang kedua ada yang menemukan ini Pak Pri. Ada 2 kegiatan Pak Pri. Ya, apa? Yang pertama yaitu I was learning English. Kemudian kegiatan lagi my father call. Mana yang terjadi lebih dulu? I was learning English ya. Kemudian disusul my father call. Yang ketiga ini Pak Pri, yang ketiga itu sama-sama sedang terjadi pada waktu lampau. That's very good ya. The boys were playing football while the girls were playing volleyball. Ini terjadinya sama-sama ya, sedang terjadi sama-sama pada waktu lampau. Kalau yang kedua sedang terjadi disusul kegiatan yang lain. Kalau yang pertama sedang terjadi hanya satu kegiatan ya. Untuk lebih jelasnya kalian bisa lihat tabel ini. Jadi untuk subjek I nanti menggunakan to be was ya, kemudian verb ing studying English. Untuk yang subjeknya they, you, we nanti to be-nya were ya, plus studying English. Kemudian he, she, it nanti to be-nya was ya, plus verb ing studying English. Gimana nama orang? Ya, selama orang itu single nanti to be-nya menggunakan was. Ketika plural or jamak nanti to be-nya were. Contohnya my father and my mother were watching TV last night. Ya, kalau yang was misalnya my uncle Ben was painting the wall yesterday. Itu untuk kalimat positif. Oke, now how do we form the past continuous tense for negative sentence ya. Oke ya, tadi udah kalimat positif, now we go to negative sentence. Oke, pertama di sini ada subject, kemudian ada to be, was, were, ada not, kemudian ada plus present participle or verb ing. Look at the example. Number 1, Wati was not writing an email yesterday. And the second, I was not learning English when my father called. Yang ketiga, the boys were not playing football while the girls were playing volleyball. Sebenarnya yang kalimat kedua bisa dikasih negatif juga, tapi yang kita negatifkan yang kalimat pertama untuk contoh nomor 3 ya. Jadi untuk negative sentence kalimat positif tinggal tambahin not setelah to be ya. Jadi to be-nya setelah to be, was, or were. Seperti ini ya. Jadi contoh di sini I was not studying English, they, you, we were not studying English. Kemudian he, she, it was not studying English. Okay, now we continue to how do we form the past continuous for interrogative sentence or kalimat tanya. Nah, di sini polanya pertama ada diawali dengan to be, was, or were, plus subject, plus not, plus present participle or verb ing. Ini contohnya ya. Pertama, was Wati writing an email yesterday. Jadi yang tadi yang positif ya, Wati sebagai subjeknya, sekarang was-nya di depan. Was I learning English when my father called. Untuk yang ketiga, were the boys playing football while the girls were playing volleyball. Oke, seperti ini ya. Jadi was I studying English, kemudian untuk were, they, you, we studying English. Untuk was, he, she, it studying English. Okay, let's see more examples. Yeah, you will find some pictures and then I give you some question and please answer the question based on the picture. Look at picture number 1. Yeah, what was the boy doing at 7 a.m.? Silakan ditebak kira-kira apa jawabannya. Bagus. He was eating breakfast. Atau ada yang menjawab, he was having breakfast. Contoh yang look at picture number 2. What was mother doing when you arrive? What was mother doing when you arrive? Please answer based on the picture. What was mother doing? Okay, very good. She was making dinner when I arrived. Atau juga boleh ada yang menjawab, she was cooking dinner when I arrived. Atau she was cooking in the kitchen when I arrived. Banyak jawaban berdasarkan gambar. Yang penting harus pakai to be was plus verb ing. Now look at picture number 3. There are 2 people, a man and woman in the picture. What were the man and the woman doing? Okay, silakan diamati. The man was watering the flowers while the woman was picking them yesterday. Apa bedanya? Soal nomor 1, 2, dan 3 bagus ya, seperti yang awal tadi. Kalau yang pertama hanya satu kegiatan, specific time. Oke, yang kedua, she was making dinner when I arrived. Di sini ada 2 kegiatan sedang terjadi, kemudian disusul kegiatan yang lain. Kemudian yang ketiga, the man was watering the flowers while the woman was picking them yesterday. Di sini kegiatannya sama-sama sedang terjadi pada waktu lampau. Oke, ya. Untuk lebih jelasnya, kita lihat timeline. The past continuous tense. This past continuous tense is often used with the simple past to show that one action was in progress when another action occurred. Jadi past continuous tense ini dipakai biasanya dengan simple past tense. Karena ada kegiatan yang menyusul di kegiatan yang lain. Oke, perhatikan contoh di sini ya. Untuk membentuk past continuous tense tambah was, were plus verb ing. Contohnya di sini, I was taking a bath when the doorbell rang. Ada 2 kegiatan. Mana yang terjadi lebih dulu? I was taking a bath. Ketika sedang mandi, ada bel pintunya berbunyi. Contoh yang kedua, they were eating dinner when the neighbors stopped by for a visit. Di sini sedang makan dulu, kemudian ada tetangga yang mampir. Oke. Untuk time singular sama dengan simple past tense, ada yesterday, last bla bla bla, Sunday, last week, last month, dan seterusnya. Kemudian this morning. Kemudian ada when, as atau while. Jadi di sini when, as itu nanti ketemu simple past tense. Contohnya when you arrive, as he called me, while got home. Dan khusus untuk while bisa untuk sama-sama yang sedang terjadi pada waktu lampau. Kemudian when to use past continuous, kapan menggunakan past continuous? Pertama, menunjukkan bahwa suatu aksi dimulai, berlangsung, dan selesai masa lalu. Dian was eating lunch at 12 p.m. Yang kedua, menunjukkan bahwa suatu aksi sedang terjadi terlebih dahulu, kemudian disusul atau diinterupsi kejadian yang lain. Contohnya, Mr. Ranto was watching a movie when the lamp fell on the floor. Jadi sedang enak-enaknya nonton TV, kemudian disusul lampunya jatuh. Yang kedua, I was reading a novel when mother called me. Sedang enak-enak baca novel, kemudian ibunya menelpon. Yang ketiga, menunjukkan bahwa 2 aksi berlangsung secara bersamaan. Sheila was playing a game on the phone or cellular phone while Alan was reading a book. Ini sama-sama sedang terjadi. Oke. Nah, di sini ada gambar, silakan diamati. What were they doing when you came? What were you doing when you came? Ivan, Cindy, Grandma Sue, Baby Ben. Oke ya. When I came, look at the picture. Cindy was making the homework. Grandma Sue was drinking a cup of coffee. Dad was making a cup of tea. Look at the picture. Baby Ben was playing a ball. Yushel was sleeping on the mat. To know how understand you are, ya, untuk mengetahui bagaimana pemahaman kalian. Di sini ada latihan soal, ada 4 soal. Pertama, last Sunday Edo's father got home at 5 and the time Edo blah 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 on his homework. A was still working, B still worked, C, artinya C ya, were still working, yang D still works. Silakan pilih A, B, C or D. Oke, bagus. Oke, jawabannya adalah A, was still working, ya, karena Edo single maka to be-nya was. Oke, now we go to number 2, ya. Number 2, ya. Oke, Siti, ya. Lina, I called you when you were walking out of the bank yesterday, but you didn't hear me. Really? I'm sorry I did not hear you. I blah 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 to the music with earphones. A, listen. B, listen. C, was listening. D, was listening. Please, which one is the correct answer? Very good, ya. I was listening, ya. So the answer is D. And then number 3. Okay, please read the question number 3. Okay. Okay, Siti, don't worry, Lina. I think they blah blah blah. It's normal. Argued, was arguing, and were arguing. Maka jawabannya oke, karena subjeknya D. Very good. And the answer is D, were arguing. And then we go to number 5. Lina, Benny, what happened to your foot? Benny, I blah 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 and fall while I blah 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 the pillows up the stair at home. Ada 2 yang harus diisi, ya. Caranya gimana? Lihat subjeknya, kemudian mana kira-kira yang terjadi dulu dan mana yang menyusul. Oke. Okay, very good. The answer is B. I tripped and fell while I was carrying the pillows up the stair at home. Oke, itu tadi anak-anak, ya, sudah mulai awal sampai soal. Mudah-mudahan kalian paham. Saya ulangi lagi, kapan kita menggunakan past continuous tense? Oke, bagus, ya. Past continuous tense digunakan untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang sedang terjadi pada waktu lampau, ya, atau sedang disusul kegiatan yang lain, atau sama-sama sedang terjadi pada waktu lampau. Oke, I think that's all about the past continuous tense, and we will meet in the 3rd session. We will discuss the future continuous tense. Okay, bye bye.